Hey, it's John Benson at Executors, where we help you plan for your family's future. We've been talking the last couple weeks about estate plans. I want to continue on with that and talk about your powers of attorney and your executors. Here's one tip that most people won't tell you. Tell your powers of attorney and your executors what it is you're asking them to do and provide them the means to do it. See, most people will name a person as a power of attorney, and they'll name a person to act as their executor once they pass on, to pass on their property and take care of the loose ends and the taxes. What they don't do is they don't actually tell these people what their job actually is. They find out once you get sick and you need them to act as a power of attorney, or you die and the will gets produced and suddenly they find out that they've been named as an executor. And even in the cases where you do tell them, people don't know what it means to be a power of attorney or an executor, and most people don't get the documentation that they're going to need to do these jobs. So here's what you want to do. You want to tell your powers of attorney and executor that they are in fact named to do certain things. You want to give them a copy of the power of attorney. You want to give them a copy of the will. That way they can clearly see what they have authority to do, and they can show other people that they have the authority to act. And then you want to make sure that they have the means to do the job you want them to do. So if your important documents are in a home safe, tell them where the safe is, give them a copy of the combination, or tell them where the key can be found so they can get in and get the documents. And then give them a roadmap. Let them know what banks you use. Let them know what insurance policies you have and who are holding those policies. Let them know who your advisors are, such as your attorneys and your financial advisors and your accountants. Let them know where all the property is. If you have a boat in a marina that you're going to need them to deal with, tell them where it is. If you have things in a storage locker, tell them where those things are. Give them the tools so that if you need them to act, they can quickly act on your behalf. Because nothing's worse than having someone not be able to do what it is you need them to do when you need them to do it. So the best thing you can do is inform your powers of attorney and executors what they have to do and give them the tools to do the job should they ever be called to do it. Hope this helps. Continue following our chapter, like and share. You can also find us on Facebook, on Instagram, or you can check us out at penguinsandbenson.com. Have a great week.